So yun mga boss, no, meron tayong bagong sasakyan dito. Pero ito naman ay bala ko ipagtapat sa kotse ng tatay ko. Kasi yun, may Toyota BB na naka-sounds. Grabe, ang lupit. Pero bumili din ako ng sakin. Ayun nga, itatapat ko kay AirPods. Tignan natin, pakita natin sa kanya to. So yung mga boss, ito yung Toyota BB natin. So yung kay AirPods kulay pink ngayon yun. Pero yun yung dating Green Lantern. Eto, bago to. Eto sa akin naman to. So nakuha natin to sa tropa. Yan, maganda pintura. Tapos naka-sound setup na din yan. May mga pailaw-ilaw din yan. Ayan ang loob ng Toyota BB. Yan, naka-junction produce na rin ng mga ganyan. Tapos may chandelier pa. Ayan ang lupet. Chandelier. So VIP concept yung loob nito eh. Pero yung kulay niya iba. Hindi siya pang VIP. Tapos yan, nakasub na rin. Tapos may mga monitor. Yan. Yan ang Toyota BB ko. So papakinggan natin sound check. So yan, volume natin.
The blow, the pills, the yak, the herb. The blow, the pills, the yak, the herb, the blow, the blow, the blow, the blow, the blow, the pills, the yak, the herb, the blow, the pills, the yak, the herb, the blow, the pills, the yak, the herb, the blow, the blow, the blow, the blow, the blow, the pills, the yak, the herb, the blow, the pills. Yeah, the herb, the blow, the blow, the blow, the blow. Throw the herb.
It's real big, let me tell you how I live. Like that, buying that, 24s riding that. Ladies, gentlemen, gangsters, pimps, mamas, daddies, stunners, shine like a rich snitch. I'm a real big timer. King of the hood, everything wood. Look like a forest in the truck and I'm a wood. Maxing so set, big open deck. Hardwood flows and that thing that connect from the front to the back. Try to top that, 615 beating hard in the deck. Push that button, microwave oven. I'm just getting started, pimp. You ain't seen nothing. That's a fish tank, bro, in the middle of the dam.
So yun na nga, narinig nyo. Tingin nyo kaya, may match kaya to sa Toyota BB ng AirPods ko. Feeling ko wala eh. Pero yun, ang bala ko dito, yun, pang-popper keeps ko to. At yun, BB-isan pa natin. At mas papalakasin pa natin yung sounds nito para makasabay kay AirPods. Tingin nyo anong dapat kong gawin para matapatan yung Toyota BB ng AirPods ko. Kasi yon since 2009 or 10 pa yung kanya eh. Hanggang ngayon, ano pa rin eh. Malakas pa rin eh. So yun mga po, abangan nyo ang labanan namin ni AirPods.